Eze Ndi Igbo, and the official statement from the Foreign Minister of Ghana. Yesterday, I invited Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu, the gentleman captured in a viral video claiming he intends to establish an Igbo kingdom in Ghana following an alleged purchase of a tract of land. Izwi clarified that it was an old 2013 interview, which he deeply regrets. He assured that he has long abandoned that idea and has not purchased any piece of land for that purpose. Chukwudi conveyed profuse apologies to the president, government, chiefs, and people of Ghana for the unfortunate agitations his rather ill-advised interview has created. As I emphasized in the meeting, Ghana is exceptionally proud of its celebrated friendly foreign policy, which is welcoming of all to our beautiful and peaceful country, particularly Africans and people of African descent. We are determined to keep championing that Pan-African identity, for which we have attained global renown. We, however, expect all our fellow Africans and guests to adhere to our peaceful and law-abiding traditions and desist from conduct or pronouncements considered unlawful, divisive, and incendiary, even as they enjoy our famed hospitality. Government urges calm and restraint and recalls the inseparable bond of friendship and brotherhood between Ghana and Nigeria. Let us all, in the true spirit of African solidarity, guard our commentary, so this matter does not degenerate into xenophobic consequences. Long live our incredibly vibrant Ghana. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, Foreign Minister of Ghana.